Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be going over Boy Jay's and we're about to be dropping off the turbo coupe. We're about to be taking this thing back to the body shop, finishing up the last little touch-up stuff, and letting my boy finish fully assembling this thing and getting it ready to go. That way it can come home permanently. Then later today, I'm about to be heading back to Janky's. That way we can work on this thing's sister, which is the wide body supercharged coupe. So since we're gonna be dropping this off, I figured I didn't get like much driving footage of this thing. So I want to get a little driving footage for y'all to satisfy my notchback people that have been wanting to see this thing driving and stuff. This will be the last time this thing should have to go to the body shop, just to finish up the, like I said, to finish up the last little finishing touches on here. Let me pop this real quick because I do want to address a little comment that was mentioned. So somebody said to run the stock fan. They said the stock fan was the best fan, etc., etc. So if you guys have been keeping up with this car, you know that this thing actually had a stock fan on it for a while. When I first did the turbo setup, I had the clutch fan on here. Then I upgraded to the heavy duty setup, a brand new fan blade and everything, and a brand new shroud. And guess what happened? This thing would not stay cool in traffic. It wouldn't even be a crazy hot day, but this thing would literally creep up, just slowly creep up to like 215, 220 before I'd have to like shut it down. And that's why I opted to do the contour fans. The stock fan does not flow nearly as much as the contour fans. This has been proven time and time again that the contour fans are going to be like one of the best options for a Fox body as far as stock fans go. You can do like I did on the 350Z and go SPA setup, but the cool part about the contour fans is they make a kit to where you can literally just fully bolt this thing on here, and you know, it doesn't get any easier than this, especially for the performance of these fans, man. I think these things flow close to 4,000 CFMs. I think they're about 38 or something like that. So yeah, these fans have no issue with cooling this thing, but they just need to be flowing the right direction, and that was what happened on the last video. But yeah, I just wanted to touch bases with y'all on that. I'll show y'all how these things perform when we're driving. Like, y'all won't see this car probably even hit 190 degrees. And the thing about people saying keep the stock fans, because a lot of those people is probably still running stock ECU, and usually you have to run the BS little thermostat controller thing, and that thing usually doesn't work that good. The best option is if you have a standalone, definitely do the dual fan setup, because then you can control each fan individually. One fan will cut on at a certain time, then the other fan will cut on, stagger them out. But that is the best option. But yeah, man, with all that being said, let's get ready to warm this thing up and get up out of here. my LRV panels on the back. The top part is making a little rattly noise, but that's because we didn't put the trim on there. That's what the trim is for, that they send with the kit. Angle. Back up. With the cutout open, you get the turbo whistle through the exhaust, which I like. So a lot of times I'll just crack it open, but right now it's wide open. Just closed the cutout. I'm gonna give y'all one last pull before we get to the shop with the cutout closed. So the last pull y'all just heard was with the cutout fully wide open, and this pull right here will be like fully closed. Dude, this car's fucking quick. She's sniffing for you over sniffing coke.
Smells
I was just doing a pull, so she a little.
Smells interesting.
It's E, man.
Smells like, I don't know. Look at that smell.
E.
Like sour.
Nah, you smell like coochie you was eating on your, still in your beard. So we've been back for a few hours now, and I'm about to be taking Granny to a doctor's appointment. Or no, what is it? Physical therapy? Physical therapy appointment. And since we got the C5 back, I'll take the C5. You ready to fall in there?
That's the only way I can get in there.
It's about to be your first time falling in with your new knee, ain't it?
Yeah, but that's such a swole from the other day.
Nobody tell you try to walk to the bank? You try to walk to the bank. What's the bank? Quarter mile away?
Something like that. Yeah.
I shall be in the car. I'm gonna warm this thing up. FDZ, 300ZX, 350Z, and the C Fizzle. So somebody was just asking me like, oh, what's up with you and Paradox? You and Paradox still cool? Nigga, Paradox is my ninja. I'm actually about to be dropping this off this weekend at Paradox's so he can rewrap it. About to change the color up on this thing. So me and Paradox are, me and that fool talk all the time. So y'all ain't got to question if me and Paradox cool. Just because y'all don't be seeing people in videos don't mean me and somebody ain't cool no more. It's like, we got lives and shit. It's the thing I hate about like YouTube and social media and whatever. People don't see somebody and they automatically assume like, what happened? We ain't seen this person. They had a falling out. Like people thought me and White Aaron had a problem. Like, bruh. Like seriously, White Aaron? Like, come on, bruh. Y'all gotta cut that out. Feel me? Y'all know when I have problems with people, I tell y'all. You miss falling in here? Ready? I'm about to do 100 miles an hour. Alright, Granny, y'all done? Alright, so me and Granny been back for a couple hours. My little cousin just got here not too long ago. So currently got him vacuuming out the C5, about to clean this thing up. Pretty much making him clean it. I'll probably drop him off on that tomorrow. I told him to give me a progress report tomorrow also. That way we can see what them grades looking like. And then, you know, if everything's back to where it needs to be at, then tomorrow he'll be off punishment. Give him his phone and everything, and then we'll go from there. Once he gets me that progress report, I see them grades is back up. Them 2 F's is gone. But progress report got to come back first. Got to see what them grades looking like. Definitely ain't rewarding no F's around here, man. We damn sure ain't doing that. Like, this kid's damn near a 4.0 student, so I don't know why he thought he was gonna come out here and pull up with 2 F's. So yeah. This guy ain't doing a little labor. What? Yeah, get this thing clean. Nah, we keep that. Leave that in there. That Evo. My girl Pauline.
What?
Yeah. Get all that dust up. I don't want to see no specks.
Alright.
Lift that carpet. Get under that carpet. Lift that floor mat. Pull the floor mat out.
What?
Pull the floor mat out. It's hooked in.
Huh?
Pull it this way towards you. Yep. Yes, like that. Shake that thing out. Then get all the dust. No, why you gonna dust it off in the car? Stand away from the car. You see all the dust flying back in there? These goddamn Fortnite kids, man.
I'm not a Fortnite kid.
You are a Fortnite kid.
I'm a sports kid.
You are a Fortnite kid.
I'm a sports kid.
I don't know why he be trying to act like he's just big and play sports. I woke up this morning, this fool was watching Ninja Turtles.
Let me watch Ninja Turtles.
You wasn't watching Ninja Turtles?
I said I was.
Yeah.
Let me watch Ninja Turtles.
Ninja Turtles and
Where
Fortnite.
do we put this?
Once you get done vacuuming out in there, you're gonna put it back where it go.
Right here? Right here?
Yeah, you can put it back there for now.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been